Today, I'm bringing you a mind-blowing hair secret straight from an ancient village in China. This is like a secret sauce for your hair, passed down for over 300 years. And guess what? You already have everything you need in your kitchen. Yep, you heard that right. Let's talk about growing Rapunzel-level hair that's thick, shiny, and totally dandruff-free. We're talking about a 2-ingredient magical potion that's gonna change your hair game forever. First up, we've got rice. Not just for eating, y'all. Rice is like superfood for your scalp. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that strengthen your hair, fight split ends, and keep it silky smooth. Trust me, your hair's gonna love this stuff. Grab a jar, nothing fancy, and throw in 3 tablespoons of rice. And then there's our star sidekick, cloves. Add a teaspoon of cloves. Oh, these little babies are fire. They're loaded with antioxidants and help wake up those sleepy hair follicles. Translation? Thicker, faster-growing hair. Plus, cloves smell amazing and kick dandruff to the curb like a pro. Win-win. Next, pour in some water, just enough to cover it all up. Now here's the secret sauce. Cover the jar and let it chill for 24 hours. Yep, let it ferment and do its magic. After 24 hours, you've got your magical hair potion ready to go. Just strain it, pour it into a spray bottle or dropper, and you're good to go. Here's how to use it. Spray it directly onto your scalp or use a dropper to really get in there. Massage it in, leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse it off. That's it. Super simple, right? Guys, the results are insane. This magical water removes all the gunk from your scalp, leaving it fresh and clean. And the best part? It boosts your hair growth up to 20 times faster. Yes, 20 times. Say goodbye to itchy scalps, dandruff, and bad hair days. This stuff is like a personal trainer for your hair. Remember to use this daily or 3 times per week for next 2 weeks. You would even notice the difference every time once you use this. So what are you waiting for? Go raid your kitchen, whip up this potion, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this hair care secret with your crew. Let's all level up our hair game together. Catch you in the next one. Stay fabulous, stay glowing, and keep those locks poppin'. Peace.